Next demonstration calls for a D latch. We're just going to modify the SR latch from the first step. So I kept the enable wiring and I took the R and the S and combined it together to make the D input. Here is my circuit rewired like the diagram. Working the switches like the truth table. It's my C enable. Alright, so here's the demonstration of the D latch. I have my C enable, my D input, my Q output, and my Q not output. Flipping the switches to the truth table, we have 0, 0. In the truth table, we have 0, 1. Next, we have 0, 1 for the input, and the output is still 0, 1. 1, 0 for the input, and the output is still 0, 1. Now 1, 1 for the input, and the output toggles. Now the Q is high and Q naught is low. Toggle C, and Q holds. Toggle D, and it toggles D 0, Q naught, D 1, and then Q comes on.